Welcome to our product presentation. Keith Nixon here with Nixon Marine Global. Today's presentation is on Osculati Eclipse latch range. The Eclipse range is a series of stainless steel 316 polished latches, an array of sizes, locks, cams and mechanisms. Here's a video describing the basic design elements of the product. Thanks for watching our product presentation. As usual, all items are available in our warehouse near Portland 9. Details are on the screen to follow. Please get in touch, email, phone or talk to your rep. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.